All right, in this video, we're gonna take a look at how to multiply two decimals. So we see in this problem, we have 2 and 35 hundredths times 1 and 4 tenths, right? So the first thing we wanna look at is when we're setting up a multiplication problem where we're multiplying two decimals, we don't line up the decimals like we did for adding and subtracting fractions. Basically what we do is we just line up the digits just like we normally would. We totally ignore that the decimals are even there. We're gonna ignore those decimals until we get way down at the bottom, and then we're gonna figure out where the decimal goes, right? So set it up, pretend those decimals aren't even there, and then when we get our final product, we'll figure out where to place the decimal, right? So this video is kind of like a 2-for-1. We're gonna tell you where to put the decimal, how to figure out where the decimal goes, but also it's extra practice for multiplying by two digits, right? All right, so let's get started. And again, notice how we're gonna ignore the decimal for the entire time until we're done. 4 times 5 is 20, so the 0 goes down, 2 goes up. 4 times 3 is 12, plus 2 is 14, 4 goes down, 1 goes up. 4 times 2 is 8, plus 1 is 9. So our first partial product is 940, right? Now, since we're going to the next place value, this place value has 10 times the power of this one. This has 10 times the power of this place value. So as a placeholder, we're going to place a 0 right down there. Even though that these are decimals, we ignore that. Every time we move to the next digit, we always add a placeholder, which is a 0. We're gonna cross off because we've already used it. Now we're ready to multiply by the 1. 1 times 5 is 5. 1 times 3 is 3. 1 times 2 is 2, okay? We're then gonna add these two partial products. Notice how I have everything in nice, neat columns, right? And I'm gonna go ahead and add 12 and 3, okay? Now, let's look at one way to figure out where the decimal goes. One way is using number sense, right? 2 and 35 hundredths is kind of like 2. If we looked here at the 2 and the 2 looked to the 3 would tell the 2, hey, stay the same. I'm closer to 2 than I am to 3. And 1.4, or 1 and 4 tenths, is closer to 1. So this problem is kind of like 2 times 1, which is 2. Now, if you look down here at our answer, where would I put the decimal to make the answer near 2? I wouldn't put it here. That'd be 329, 32, and 90 hundredths. If I put it right there, that would be 3 and something, which is pretty close to 2. So I'm thinking the decimal probably goes there. Now, to figure out mathematically where the decimal goes, right? We've been practicing in class by drawing this line here. You don't have to do this, but sometimes it helps see it. How many times did the decimal get moved in from the right, this imaginary wall, right? 1, 2 on this number, right? This is a 2. And then here, just 1, okay? And then what we do is we find the total number of places. So 2 plus 1 is 3. And that 3 is important because that's how many times we're gonna move our decimal down here in our final product. 1, 2, 3, right? So it would end up right there. Another way to think of it as how many digits are after the decimal. 1, 2, 3, and then look, 1, 2, 3, okay? But our final answer should be 3 and 290 thousandths. All right, so that was a quick little video running through one problem of not only where to place the decimal when you're multiplying decimals, but also another round of practice for multiplying by two digits. All right, thanks for checking it out.